Hey guys, it's Dave, and for this video what I want to talk about is called fixation. It's basically the state of doing an activity where you are using your full attention and you cannot use your attention on anything else. Okay, so you're ignoring the rest of the world and you have to put your full energy and attention into what you're doing. This will raise your failure rate, probably. When you're doing something at fixation, you'll probably be failing at it. More than if you're doing it an easier activity where you don't need your full attention. But this is good. We want to do activities at fixation a lot because this really stresses our attention, it makes us grow, and it grows our focus, strengthens our focus muscle. So I'm just going to show you an example of what that might be for me. So I have 3 balls here, but I'm going to start with 2. Right? If I'm doing something like this, if I can look at you while I'm doing this, that means this activity is not at my fixation. Right? I'm not at fixation. I could start doing something else. I could start marching as I'm doing this, or just, walking in place. All right, that's still kind of not at my particular fixation. It might be at yours, but because I've been practicing this for years. So, okay, I might try a different one. Let me start jumping a little bit, which requires more nervous system coordination. So I'm going to go like this, like that. Okay, I'm just going to be jumping. So. That was pretty close. Now I'm getting there, right? I'm feeling a little less able to coordinate all the movements, but I'm getting closer to fixation, right? Let's add another ball. Let's see. So this classic 3-ball cascade is something that I'm very good at because I've practiced for hours. I don't know, there's some kind of siren going on. But anyway, so I'm really good at this. I probably won't be at fixation if I do this, but let's try it anyway. So, yeah, see, actually this is even easier for me because I've practiced it so many times. So I'm going to do a different 3-ball exercise. It's definitely going to put me at fixation. I'm probably going to have a higher failure rate, which is good. So let's try, it goes like this. It's basically alternating hands with 2 balls, right? So you can do 2 balls in one hand like this, and what I'm doing is just one cycle for each hand and alternating. This is slightly harder for me. Oops. Anyway, that was definitely at my fixation point. I'm going to keep doing that because once you find that sweet spot of fixation, you want to keep going. You want to keep doing it because that's going to lead to the highest growth. Okay, because it's expanding, you're expanding your attention control all the way. So you want to keep going. As much as you can stand. Oops. As you can see, I'm dropping it more, which is great. That means I'm pretty much there with my attention. Okay, so I want you to play around with it. Find your fixation point. Find any exercise. Could be even with 1 ball. Even I can get fixation with 1 ball if I make my feet more complicated, and I'm going to do that actually in the next video. So play around with it, find your fixation point, and stay with it. Talk to you next time.